Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to transfer contacts from Android to Android. If you are using Android phones and now you want to transfer all of your contacts, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone call app, then go for contacts, and here just tap on the three dots in the top right corner, and here just tap on settings. From here you just have to look for import settings. Here are some contact settings, just tap on it. And here's the export settings, just tap on export contacts, and here you just have to select to which where you want to export your contacts. Just select internal storage and then select export, so it will export all of your contacts into your internal storage. So you just have to locate that. Here you can see that all contacts has been exported. So here's the name of the file, just tap on OK, and here just open my files app, and here you just have to look for the file which we have just exported. Just select internal storage from here, and here you just have to look for that. Here's the documents. If you can't find it, you just have to go for search, and here just search for contacts. Just like that you'll get the file. Just tap on it and your file will be opened. So when created the file, you just have to share that file to the phone on which you want to transfer your all contacts. So on the second phone, you just have to open your phone call app, and here just tap on three dots, then tap on contact settings, and on the second phone just have to select import contacts, and here select from phone, and here you just have to look for that file which we have just exported. Just tap on it, then tap on done, so it will import all contacts. Here you just have to select on which you want to import your contacts. I'm going to select phone from here. Just tap on import, so it will import all of your contacts. So in this way you can easily transfer all of your contacts from Android to Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.